Hi, this is Pete with Prince. I'm the Florida sales manager here at Advantage Yours, one of the premier tennis shops in the state of Florida. I wanted to introduce our new 2012 line. We have the new Warriors and the new Rebels out just a couple weeks ago. They came out, and you can come here and demo them with exclusive promotion we have going on with them with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you purchase a racket, and you have 30 days to try it out. You can return it with a full refund. You also get an additional $25 Prince bucks that you can use towards shoes or bag or additional Prince product. So just wanted to tell you about the reviews on some of these rackets. The Warrior 100 is basically our new black 100, but it's got more pop, a little thicker frame. It's being rated really, really well. And the other racket new to the family is the Rebel 98. So we had the 95 last year, but this one here is rated #1 on tennisexperts.com. So you might want to take the challenge and demo one of these and come see Kim or Peg or me over here at Advantage Yours. The promotion ends March 31st. So go ahead and we'll hope to see you soon. Thank you.